Hi, I'm Chris with Roofing Rev Marketing. And today, I've been seeing a lot of Facebook ads, some scams, and ridiculous stuff going on in the roofing industry and other industries. It's basically talking about an AI file that you add to your website to help the Chat GPT, Perplexity, Gemini, all these AI bots crawl your website better. Um, don't do any of that. It's all a scam. I'm going to show you right here. So I'm going to log in my website. I'm going to go to plugins and I'm going to update, make sure. So Yoast is like an SEO plugin for WordPress. It's probably the number one. It's not probably. It is the number one SEO plugin out there, right? And there's a paid version and a free version. It's offered on both. I only use the free version on my own website. So you just have to make sure you hit update it to the latest uh, version. And then once you do that, you're going to click on settings and it is going to take you to your dashboard, right? So I'm going to configure it, up automatically. Since I've updated it already before, you could find it underneath advanced and then llms. And you're just going to activate it. And then you're going to let the automatic page selection do its thing. And you're going to hit save. You can manually select your about page, your contact page, terms, privacy policy, and then you can manually select some high content pages for you. Or you can just do it automatic, just like I did. I'm going to click this. It's going to show me what the file looks like. This is generated by Yoast SEO version 26. This is the llms.txt file. This is for LLMs, language learning machines. So it automatically mapped my home page, my success story page, my case study overview page, pricing page, my about page. So it's just going to map pages that are your latest ones automatically. And then same thing with the posts, your latest posts. You can manually pick some of these like I showed you over here. You could do the manual thing and then enter these and then add more pages. It's up to you. I'm just going to let the automatic do its thing because this isn't something that is currently adapted by all platforms. If you even look in deeper into the SEO, this has no bearing on the SEO or the chat GPTs and stuff crawling your website, but it's something they're probably going to adopt, just like they did the robot.txt file. And so you know what I'm talking about there. A WordPress website, this is probably done for you. It's just telling it what it could crawl, what it cannot crawl, and then it gives a link to the sitemap. So it adopted this. It's probably going to adopt this LLM learning, LLMS TXT file as well. So if you're a client of mine, I already did this. I already enabled it for everyone. If not, don't spend the money on it. You saw how easy it was done. If you're using Rank Math or All-in-One SEO or one of the other 100 SEO plugins, they all probably have it too by now. If not, you could just go in through your cPanel or FTP and manually add this file. It will take 5 seconds once you log in to do it. So don't spend the money. Contact me if you want. I'll do it for you for free. Hope this helps.